Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Trying to pass a four. You're 4% up. Almost there. You're trying to pass a funded account. That's good. That's good. Guys, do not take my trades though. Do not execute my trades because it's going to be a loser. It's a 50-50 chance. Alrighty. That's good. That's good. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope everyone is doing well, having a great day so far. Yeah, that's the best way to go. Pass it on your own so you can know, if you're ready for this. Let's go. He said we will copy. I blew my accounts before I started consistently passing, so if it takes time, don't feel bad. Yeah, just gotta take your time sometimes. You just gotta take your time sometimes, man. So we can see here that I'm down. I took 2 small losses yesterday. So I'm down 400, about 450 on this account. And then I'm down about 200 on this account, as you can see here. So let's just see how this goes. Will I pass it? Will I blow it? Who knows? And of course, this is the dashboard of the first account showing the loss. $341 loss. About 400, I guess. So yeah. I still have like a 200 and I still have about a $2,000 buffer. So let's see how this goes. Here in Trade Syncer as well, you can see here that total loss for both accounts, $500. Let's see. We can do something today. $500. 500. So let's go right back to the charts. And of course, guys, as always, you can always use my code here at Fundednext. They have CFDs. For CFDs, you can use my code STAN, just STAN, to get a nice 12% discount. And for futures, you can use my code Stanfx to get a nice little discount. You just go to Start Challenge. And then you can see the plans. For CFDs, you can use my code STAN to get a little nice discount here on the CFD side for those who trade forex. And for futures, you can just, select whichever plan you want. Go down there and use my code Stanfx. Gets you the best discounts at most of these prop firms. Any prop firm, use the code Stanfx. It's gonna get you a little nice discount for most of these prop firms. So you can try that out, and yeah, but if you're interested in using Fundednext, they are a very good prop firm with the kind of benefits that they have. For example, when you pass the challenge and you reach payout, they literally refund you $375. They refund you more than you paid for the challenge. They literally hit your bank account, boom. And they have fast payouts, 24-hour payouts, and they literally have it on their website that if you do not get your payout within 24 hours, they're literally going to compensate you with $1,000, $1,000 extra dollars on top of your payout. So that is just to show that, you know, they're really serious about paying out. And if you don't get paid out within 24 hours, as long as you follow all the rules and you're eligible for a payout, they literally give you $1,000 free dollars, additional dollars, which is crazy. No other prop firm is doing this. So that is that. Let's get right back to trading. Hello, sir. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Let's see what the market got for us today. We're here on YM, trying to see what another day, another dollar. You already know what's up. Let us quickly analyze what's going on. See where we want to draw to, you know. Straight off the rip. And see the slight sweep. But we also see that we have this fair value gap. See on the daily time frame, we're printing this bullish candle. So do we want to extend further, or do we want to the downside? On the 4-hour as well, we're bouncing strongly on this trend line. So let's see. Finally got to see you. Yeah, there's so many scammers pretending to be me and, you know, scamming people. Yeah, you'll be able to tell though, because if you check the profile, you'll be able to tell by firstly, the names aren't gonna be the same, the usernames. So you got to pay attention to that. And secondly, you know, you'll be able to tell if anybody's asking you to pay for anything or give them money or let them trade for you. Obviously, that's not me. Like, I'm not gonna trade for anyone. What are you talking about, bro? I'm not gonna ask you to let me trade for you. I will trade myself. I don't need to trade for anybody. So if they're asking you to give them money for something, to pay for something, dude, that's not me. I'm never gonna ask you for money. I'm never gonna ask you for any crazy thing like that. So should be able to tell, but there's no real way to combat them, because they just keep, even when I block them from the Discord, they just keep creating new accounts. So there is no real way to sack them. But you just gotta, pay attention and just be careful. Yeah, even the dates the accounts were created. Yeah, that's true too. That also gives it away. So yeah, you'll be able to tell. Oh, you said I sound quiet? Hmm. I wonder why. Can you, let's see. I don't know. No, it was not me who texted you on there for copy trading. That was definitely not me. That wasn't me. I never DM anyone first. I'll never DM you first. I'll never ask you for anything. I'll never DM you first. Like, no, that wasn't me. Beware of the scammers. Pay attention to the username and just be careful. Because firstly, I'm not gonna copy trade for anyone. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Got you. Yeah, let's see. Let's see here. But yeah, just be careful, guys. Just be careful. I'll never DM you first. I'll never, you feel me? Not me. Not me. I'm busy trying to make my own go out trading. I ain't gonna ask you to trade for you. I'm not gonna ask you to do any of that. If somebody's telling you that, run far away. I'm just chopping in there, motherfucker. Reaching back for these lows. Low. What pair? This is YM or US 30. US 30 on forex, YM on futures. And NQ is NQ is NAS 100 on futures and NQ on NAS 100 on forex, NQ on futures. Sorry. IFBG. FBG. Tap into that FBG. Came down, inverse that IFBG. So probably want to sing for a little bit. Yeah, this is the FBG right here that it tapped into. Heading back for those lows. Are we gonna break it, or are we gonna bounce from it? Are we gonna sweep it? I think we're gonna go further down. Push a little bit more down into that. No, I haven't taken a trade yet. How much time did it take? I'd say like about 3.5 years to finally like figure out what I'm like, have a good idea of what I'm doing and like what it takes. It's just not about the charts. It's also a whole psychology up behind it. So while I'm waiting for a trade, explain the IVG. IVG is simply an inversion of an FVG. So if this candle had went up and inversed this 15-minute FVG, then the FVG will now become an IFVG. So it's literally just an inversion of it, like breaking through it. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like usually an FVG is supposed to hold price. So if it breaks through price, then that signals that, you know, it may want to push to the opposing direction. So that is just what an IFVG is. Yeah, that's what it is. A fair value gap that gets inversed. Quite literally, that is what it is. Quite literally. We're probably going to go into 90. Oh, look at that drop. What site do I use? What broker? TradingView. This is TradingView. That is what I'm currently using. Okay. I'm gonna go into at least 90 from here. Let's see what we want to do. Do we want to keep pushing? Or do we want to... I think we're going to push further down. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? And QE. Overall bullish. The 4-hour candle looks dangerous. Ooh. What do we wanna do here? What do we wanna do here? Hey, what do we wanna do here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. We have literally swept. Might take this. Let's see though. Actually might take it. Yeah, let's try it. What do we wanna do here? What do we wanna do here? What do we wanna do here? Oh, what do we wanna do here? That Nas is a scary adding. Ooh. Did we want to tap into this IFBG? IFBG. Oh, look at Nas. That thing said nope. This IVG. It's quite scary. Nas look like she about to drop. She ain't about to drop. She just trying to trick you. She just trying to trick a little Nick. I'm not taking this Nas though. I'm just. One to two, motherfucker. In that motherfucker. In that motherfucker. IFVG. We want to get to the IFVG. IFVG. We want to get to the IFVG. So I'm trying to, I can't make more than 1,000 in one day. So that simply means that, how many ticks do I need? Let's grab the calculator. Got my little calculator here, guys. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how many ticks I need. Let's be a little greedy. So I'm trading with 2 contracts. I'm trying to make $1,000. 1 contract equals $5. So I think that's 100 contracts. But let's see. 100. Yeah, that is 100 ticks I meant. So let's see if I can go for 100 ticks. I should make 1,000. And where's my entry? Entry is right there. This thing better not reverse on a young nigga like me, bro. Better not reverse on a young nigga like me. So I'm going for 100 ticks because I'm trying to make $1,000. First day of this. You feel me? There's a slight 1 to 2 on NQ should suffice. But I'm trying to make 1,000, so 100 ticks. Yep, that's 100 ticks, yeah. Yeah. Let's see if it goes. Let's see. Fly in that motherfucker. Let us go, I am. FVG here, FVG there, FVG here, FVG everywhere. Let's see. YM, if you reverse on me, bro, we gonna have a problem. You feel what I'm saying? Because I'm not doing none of that. Oh, put your stops at break even. No, fuck that. Behave. Behave. Be a good girl, not a YM. If we bounce from this random yellow line, that would be so cool. YMCA. You gotta get to the YMCA. Woo. NQ is like, fuck that IFVG. Oh, man. Yeah. You really gonna do me like that, YM? You really gonna do me like that in front of the peep? In front of the peep? In front of the peeps? The peeps? You really gonna do a young nigga like that? Is it because I'm black, bro? Is it because I'm black? If I wasn't black, you would not be doing this to me, YM. Heading straight for TP, looks like. I mean, SL. Crazy. Wow. I'm actually so shocked. Actually, so shocked. That it did me like that in front of the people, in front of the peeps. NQ definitely. Same thing. In front of the peeps, bro. That's crazy. Let's see what he wants to still do here, cause bro. That was wild. Very, very wild. Very wild. See if we get another trade here. Sheesh. You're up 1.4. You're flexing. Actually flabbergasted. Let me see Nas. Sheesh. I mean, we are in a bearish, trend, but like a lower time frame bearish order flow. Let's see how much we're down on those accounts. This isn't going too well. $455 on both accounts. Whoa. Whoa. We're back on that. Bouncing back on that trend line. That boy really did me like that, man. You can see here I'm down. Trade sinker. Total up 900 across both accounts. So 455 on each account. Crazy things are happening. I want to try this FVG as well. This IVG. I do think we want to go up, but it just wanted to stop me out, man. I don't think we're gonna sell off. We might. We may sell off, who knows? But I'll try it. Oh my goodness, FVGs don't work. Oh my goodness. They don't work anymore. It's patched. If you start selling off aggressively, I might just dip out of that. I'll be like, yeah, psych, I'm out. This is my last trade of the day. Last, I tell you. Tapping back into this IVG now. Oh, snap. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I didn't even realize what it was on. It was on Trade Sinker. Okay. I didn't realize it wasn't on that screen. But I tried it again, so let's see. Now I kind of have to be greedy, bro, like, because I took that first loss. So I kind of have to be greedy here. I need $1,455. I need 1,455. So how much is that, bro? No, I'm not funded yet. This is the funding challenge that I'm taking right now. Now I need like, I usually like to go for 90 to 100 ticks, but now I'm gonna need like maybe like 120. I don't know. Maybe like 130 or something. Like 140, I think. Yeah, like 140. Which is crazy. Like one. I'm over here trying to calculate the profits when this trade could simply just. What's the bias? I don't have a bias. I'm just going with what the flow of the market. I mean, really, I was looking at longs. I was looking at longs originally, but that didn't work out, so I had to retry that. Now I have to go for more. Usually I like to go for my little 90, 100 ticks. Like a little 100 ticks. But now, since I took that first loss, I'm gonna be greedy as a fuck. Gonna be greedy as a motherfucker. That's what I'm saying. Don't take my trades, cause guys like could simply just not work out. But now that I want to be greedy, Mr. Greedy. here. 90, about 90. It's usually what I like, 90 to 100, like 100 type shit. But I'm being greedy. Need to pass this thing, man. Literally almost doubling my TP level. It's what these funded accounts have you doing, man. They have you feel me, doing all kinds of things. So let's at least I want to see us break these highs. Order block, breaker block, older block, younger block. Mitigation block, consequent encroachment. Guys, consequent encroachment, bro. That's the word of the day, bro. Consequent encroachment. That's my favorite ICT word. Consequent encroachment, bro. What are you talking about? I'm trying to see price trade into the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap, and then I want to see a mitigation block transfer into the IVG of the FVG within the mitigation and breaker block, so that I can see how it reacts inside the consequent encroachment. Simple strategy, guys. Simple. That's all I do. I just wait for the mitigation block to transfer into the IVG, and then once the IVG captures the transformation, it will trade further into the mitigation block, and then the mitigation block trades into this consequent encroachment. Guys, I'm supposed to take TP here, bro, but I'm being a little greedy cat. It's supposed to be the real TP. But since I lost that first trade, I'm like, fuck it. Time frame 1 minute. Walk in the mall like fuck it. I buy everything I want there. Cause I remember when I couldn't. Well, now I got them honchos. Money long, like Rapunzel hair. You think you got them honchos? Believe me, boy, you ain't even want to go there. Let's go. This is my profit taking zone, man. But as I keep saying, I want to be greedy because I took that first loss like a little. You feel me? Greedy, 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 greedy. I don't want us to break this shit. This shit right there. I want us to break through that motherfucker. Consequent encroachment, guys. The consequent encroachment is holding, guys. Let's trade into the mitigation block right before we, you feel me, capture that internal liquidity run. Times. Doing some math here, guys. Calculating the profits. Calculating the millions of dollars I'm gonna make from these prop firms. 1 604 times 1604 plus 6104. Actually, you feel me? Not just taking one funded challenger. Also trading on some of my funded on the side. Let's get it. Yeah. Do I trail stock? Fuck that shit. I don't trail shit. Nah, honestly, like sometimes I do. It just depends. So I want to make my loss back. I took a $400 loss. That's why I'm still holding this trade. And then I want to make an extra $1,000. So I could be, oh yeah. So I could, because you can only make $1,000 in a day. So okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Trade it back into this FVG. So I want to make the loss back, which was like $455, and then I want to make an additional, you feel me, $1,000. So I could be up like 800 on this challenge so far. Let's hit that thing. Hit that motherfucking thing. You feel me? Hit that thing. I probably, guys, TP hit. I probably made too much, honestly. I probably made too much, if I'm being honest, in that motherfucker. How long I've been trading? This is probably like my 6th year. I made too much in that motherfucker. Let's check the trade sinker. It already hit. I'm already out this trade. Let's check the trade sinker. I think I made a little bit too much, honestly. Might have to lose, like. So boom, you can see here in the trade sinker that where's trade sinker? That we made that. Boom, bam, boom. A little two banderinos. You feel what I'm saying? A little light two banderino. Average winning trade 1.5. What I'm saying. Yeah. This is the dashboard. So I actually think I made a little bit too much. Trying to see. Why not trail to secure? I mean, this is eval. Like if this was funded, bro, I'll be trailing like a motherfucker. But it is eval, so I'm just going crazy on that motherfucker. That's what I'm saying. We hit TP exactly, like tap that thing. All on live. No gimmicks. No bullshit. Okay, there we go. So you can see all the trades here. Here's how much we're up. So we made our loss, and then we made an additional $1,031. Made our loss back and additional money. But the only thing is that let's see. Gotta trail this. I took this on funded as well. But the only thing is that you can't make more than 40%. That is their consistency rule. You cannot make more than 40. Look at that. It tapped. Look at the bro. Like this thing tapped right into the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. And then boom. Telling you, bro. Like this ICT shit, bro. I mean, honestly, I feel like the new things he's teaching is kind of like too complicated, extra shit, but 2022 mentorship, that's all you need, guys. That's all you need. 2022 mentorship. But yeah. So I think I have to lose a little bit of money here. Why are we going down so fast? Why are we sinking? We've already taken our profit, so it don't matter. Trade Sinker. Let's go back to Trade Sinker. So yeah, I made a little bit too much, so I might have to lose like $30 or like $35, something like that, just to be below, because they have a 40% consistency rule. So that means I cannot make more than 40% profit in one day. So, meaning I have to lose a little bit of money to be able to, you feel me? Did you trade gold or BTC? This is YM. This is YM. Let's see here. Yeah, you can trade on TradingView. Yeah. You can trade on TradingView. Fundednext futures. That's what I'm trading. Let's go right back into that dashboard. Millions on my mind, billions. Fuck millions, bro. We going for bills. Where's my accounts? Okay, there we go. So yeah, this is the Fundednext dashboard, you know. The accounts hasn't updated yet. It updates at the end of the day. That's why I use Trade Sinker. Guys, Trade Sinker, bro, like you could literally link all your prop firms and copy trade across all the prop firms. You can see this. I executed this trade on TradingView and it literally copied it onto my other Fundednext accounts right there. So Trade Sinker is powerful, guys. If you're interested in using that, just use my code Stanfx. You get a nice discount. It's a monthly subscription, but the code Stanfx gets you the best discounts anywhere. Dude, you can go to a farmer's market, bro. Use the code Stanfx. You're gonna get 30% off, bro. Like, no joke, bro. Go anywhere. Any freaking where. Use my code. 30% off. Anywhere. I don't care if it's a Bugatti. If you're trying to buy a Bugatti, just use my code. And then you feel me? That's gonna give you that nice, you feel me? But yeah. So if you guys want to use Fundednext, this is the prop firm that I'm using, that I'm currently trying to pass. You just go here. They have CFDs. They're really big in the CFD space. They're already a trusted prop firm in the forex space. So if you want to use that, if you're trading forex and you like trading forex, you could just go to the CFD, choose any of the plans, use my code STAN, just STAN, STAN, to cop you a little 12% discount on Fundednext. But if you want to trade futures like I am currently trading, you go to the futures section, so you can toggle between CFDs and futures. They're already big in the CFD space. You can ask anybody. Ask Google, ask ChatGPT, ask Google, ask anybody. They're big in the CFD space. but in the future space, they just rolled out their new futures prop firm. So if you want to get, I'm trading the 250K accounts because it's easier to pass. You have a 1-to-1 profit to drawdown ratio. So 2,500 profit target, 2,500 drawdown ratio. Drawdown, 2,500 drawdown. So if you want to use them, they have the 100K plan, but that is a little bit easy, a little bit more difficult to pass because the profit to drawdown ratio is 3,000 to 6,000, which is a 1-to-2 profit to drawdown ratio. So I'd rather just trade the account that's much easier to pass, which is a 50K. You go there, you select Tradeovate or Ninja Trader, but I'm using Tradeovate. That's what I link to my trading view. So you select that, you go to get started. You feel me? You can use my code Stanfx. I'm telling you guys, anywhere, any prop firm, anywhere you want, bro. Stanfx, boom, you get that little discount in that motherfucker, and you can purchase it and start trading, try to pass it, and try to get a payout. The good thing about this prop firm is that once you pass it and once you're eligible for a payout, they literally refund you, just like forex does, because they were involved in because they're in the forex space. They are used to like these refunding fees. I don't think other prop firms refund you for. Other prop firms don't. They don't refund you for your purchase fee. So once you pass it and once you are able to get a payout, they literally refund you more than your purchase fee. You purchase it for $249 with my discount, you get it for $230 something. And then once you pass it and once you are able to get a payout, you get refunded this on top of any payout you make. So that's really cool. That's what I'm using right now. You guys can check them out if you want. But again, the Stanfx code works anywhere. But yeah, that is that for this trade, guys. Beautiful trade. I don't know if, as I said, I might have to lose a little bit of money. Let's see if I can do that live as well, so you can see everything. Back in the cockpit. So I'm up $1,031, but I'm only allowed to make 40%. As you can see here, I didn't even show you guys that. I'm only allowed to make 40% per day. That's their consistency rule. So I can only make 40% a day. 40% of the profit target, which is $2,500. So 40% of $2,500 is $1,000. So I can only make $1,000 in a day. But I made $1,031. So because I made $1,031, I am above the 40% rule by just a little bit. I'm not sure if they have systems that recognize that you're just a little bit above it, so it's not going to penalize you. But I don't want to find out. So I'm just going to lose a little bit of money. I'm going to lose like $30 right here, just to be on the safe side. You feel me? You feels me? So yeah, let me go there and lose. Let's lose this money. You talking about? What the heck? Who's spamming my chat like this, bro? Like, what the freak? Like, are you kidding me? Anyways, let's lose some quick $30. Let's go to I'll use MYM because it's very light and it's easy to lose with. So again, I just need to lose like $30. So I'm just gonna go in for some let's see, flip a coin, buy or sell. You're a new trader, welcome. Buy or sell. Let's let's buy. Let's buy. When I'm trying to lose money, it doesn't lose. Like, I can't lose today, bro. I can't lose. I can't lose today. Bro. I can't lose, twin. Sir, can you pay my college fee? Brother. Well, firstly, what college? Let me not even say any. But don't spam that. Don't be spamming that. Like, if you want your college fee paid, I got you. But don't spam that. You feel me? I got you, twin. No worries. Don't spam that chat, dog. That's how you get blocked and they motherfucker. I can't lose. Like, I can't lose money. Can't lose. Can't lose. Can't lose. Literally just need to lose, like, bro, like $35 or a little bit more. I'm gonna buy, so like, yeah, let's just lose that. Okay. Fuck around and find out. I have the best trading content. Okay, I'm out. Thank you. I have the best trading content. Don't worry, bro. This is just the beginning. This is about to be the biggest trading content in the world. Like, you got, bro, this is just the beginning. You're seeing this, you're watching, you're gonna see. It's gonna be the best trading content in the world, in the universe. Even on Mars, bro. The aliens are gonna be watching me, bro. Like, I'm telling you, just watch. I said it here on live. Just watch. But yeah, I lost the 30 something on it. So let me show you that. Let's show the transparency of this shit. It didn't copy? I don't think it copied though. Anyways, here is the trade sinker. You can see that I lost the 30 something dollars. Okay, it didn't copy because I didn't select MYM. You know, you still have to configure whichever thing you're gonna trade. So it didn't copy it, but you saw it did it on this account, but it didn't lose on this account. So I'll probably just do that later. Just lose that later. But I gotta go, guys. Gotta go kick it with my Discord, man. You guys can check out my Discord. Join my Discord, bro. I trade live on there every single day. This YouTube thing, I don't think it's gonna be it's just me trying to show you guys like how I go about these things. But I really trade live on Discord every single day. If you guys want to join that, the link is in my bio. So just check that out. And you can trade live with me every single day. But apart from that, guys, nice trading day. We've been able to recover our losses. So now let's just see how we move from here. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Trade wisely. Don't go crazy. Don't do anything crazy. Yeah, the Discord link is in my bio. Check it out. I'm looking for a mentor. Don't worry, I got you, brother. Coming up with my mentorship program very soon. In the next 2 months, you should be able to see. You should be ready for it. Probably in the next month. So I'll alert everybody when I do that. So don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna be mentoring only a few people, so I'm gonna be very dialed in and very focused on them, trying to improve their trading. Every day I'm gonna hop on calls with them, to watch their trading, like analyze with them, all that. So I'll let you guys know what's up when that happens. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. You feel me? I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Peace! Peace! Okay, I'm supposed to do that, and then I'm supposed to be like, peace!